Hello, this is the Cardano market where we cover what's moving, what's not, and what's bleeding our wallets dry. Obviously, with the recent batch saga from Muesli Swap, the market has been riled up and there's a lot of selling and a lot of buying, and we just wanted to jump in and show you based on the on-chain data, who is buying, who is selling, and what the hell is going on. And just for a reminder, Opt or Option Flow is an option trading platform that is built by the Muesli Swap team. It is still in development. We haven't hit testnet yet, so hopefully we can get there at some point and things start really cranking up. So what is happening now? I'm not gonna run you through the whole batcher, not batcher, tip, not tip, all that stuff. Let's leave that out of the way for now. In terms of data and on-chain pure transaction, what is happening? And to answer that question, we need to just look into, all right, volume profiler, right? Let's get it in. So this is the 7-day transaction traces, and this is both buying and selling of all the wallet categories that we know of. And you can clearly see that the whales have sold in the past 7 days. The orcas have sold. This feels like some level of balance. This is more buying, this is more selling, and more selling. So if you truly want to see that difference, just go to net. And in the past 7 days, this is what that looks like. Clearly, the whales have sold more to the tune of 100,000 ADA. The orcas did something similar. The sharks kind of flat, 7,000 in difference on a positive side, but clearly the swordfish have bought quite a lot more. Now when you go down the wallet category, the shrimps have taken the lead in selling in the past 7 days. Now past 7 days does include yesterday and the day before, when there was a new report by Cerberus, and investors have seen that, and I believe that kind of drove a little bit of the selling that we have seen in the past couple of days. Now let's see what's happened in the past 24 hours in terms of total and net volume. So this is very lopsided, right? This tells you what is going on in the past 24 hours. The shrimps have sold more than any wallet category, almost that total combined. I mean, that's quite a lot of selling from that wallet group. And again, this is when there is a crisis, usually smaller wallets seem to overreact. And I say overreact with some air quotes. And that is because everybody is responsible for their wallets, and you can't really try to put anyone in some kind of box because everybody have a certain set ideal timeline on what their investment strategy is. But a lot of times, and more often than not, this wallet group end up overreacting. And I feel to some degree that, again, this is not financial advice. This is not financial advice. This is not financial advice. I feel like that's what's happening here. Now, if you move down the wallet category, you can clearly see that there is more buying here. Clearly more buying. More buying. More buying. And 128 ADA in selling. That doesn't even seem is enough for lunch from whales. So in the past 24 hours, the whales have literally sat out of the action. Zilt. Moving to net volume, I mean, this is fairly clear. Sold 127 ADA worth 127. And then from there, everyone else bought except for shrimps that sold to the tune of 286,000 ADA. Well, if I'm an investor and I'm looking at this, I have to always ask myself, who are the folks selling and when are they selling? I repeat, who are the folks selling? When are they selling? The second question that I ask myself is, a week from now, would this crisis matter? A month from now, would this crisis matter in the grand scheme of things for this specific project? You answer that question for you and you make decisions accordingly. In the meantime, let's see where the market leads us in the next few days. I'm always on watch and always looking for opportunity. Anyway, happy Saturday, and I will see you when I see you. Thank you.
None of what you hear is financial advice. Please do your own research. None of what you hear is none of what you hear is none of what you see is financial